Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Happy Easter, happy long weekend. I hope you guys are having an amazing one. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to measure out your Jesmonite for your molds. But first, thank you to everyone who has subscribed to my channel and for all the love and support on my first Jesmonite video. I truly appreciate it. If you haven't seen it yet, I'll link it up in the cards. So I didn't measure out my Jesmonite in the first video, and come to think of it, it would have been the smarter thing to do, but I was excited and I just wanted to get going. So I know that I said in my last video that I'll be selling Jesmonite in my shop, and no, I won't be doing that. Firstly, I didn't realize that Jesmonite is an actual product that is manufactured in the UK. So in my first video, I wasn't using a C100. It was just an acrylic resin and mineral powder. Jesmonite is not something we can find easily here in South Africa, but we do have alternatives such as Material 1 from AMT Composites, which I'll be making a video on soon, so stay tuned for that. I do apologize if there was any misleading information. Okay, so this is a really simple formula and the easiest one I'll remember, so let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is bring out my scale. You'll need a scale for this. I'm going to switch that on and then place my mold on the scale and then tare it or bring it back down to 0. I did also change my unit to grams. I do have a jug with some water in, and I'll just fill my mold to the top with water. So for this particular mold, the liquid weighs in at 59 grams. So I'm going to write out my measurements now, and keeping 59 grams in mind, I'm just going to round that off to 60. Then I'll divide 60 by 2, which gives us 30. So we know that we'll need 30 grams of acrylic resin. I'll then multiply 30 by the ratio of powder that I'll need. So for the Jesmonite that I'm using, it's a 1:2 ratio, so I'll multiply my liquid total by 2. For AC100, I know that it's a 2.5 ratio, so if you're using AC100, you'll just then multiply your liquid total by 2.5. So you can always add an extra 10 grams to your acrylic resin and powder just to make sure that you have enough. It's better to have more than to have too little. And that is it. That is really all there is to it. It's so simple, it's easy to remember, and you can then just work out exactly how much you'll need for each of your molds. I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you have a great rest of your weekend, and I hope you have a great week. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.